Hello guys, welcome to TechBuzz. Some Android phones like Samsung phones have factory reset protection feature which asks you to verify your Google account even if you reset it through any app or from the recovery, and bypassing it is really hard. But today I'll show you how to bypass FRP lock on any Samsung phone in the easiest way. For that, we will use PassFab Android Unlocker app. PassFab Android Unlocker app can help you to unlock your Android phone and can also help you to bypass Samsung FRP protection feature. It supports most of the Android phones, including latest flagships like Galaxy S20 Ultra. It's available for both Windows and Mac PC. The link of the app is mentioned in the description below. You can check the details from the link. There's also an amazing deal going on at PassFab where you can get PassFab Screen Recorder for free, but more on that later on. Although this app is not free, but it's worth of every penny, as you can use PassFab Android Unlocker to remove lock screen like fingerprint, pattern or normal pin numbers. It can also help you to bypass Google FRP protection on some phones like Samsung. I have already uploaded a video on how to unlock any Android phone with this app. You can watch the video by clicking on the card on the top right corner or from the link in the description. And today I'll show you how to bypass the FRP lock. Before going ahead, make sure you are using the latest and official version of the app to avoid any issue. Now connect your Samsung phone to PC using the USB cable. As soon as the device is connected, the software will move to the next step. Here it shows what all things can be done with this process, and make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi. The model number of the phone is displayed on the left. So to go ahead, click Start Remove. The app will give a reminder that your phone should be connected to Wi-Fi. Just click Start Remove. Now the app will verify the phone model and will send a pop-up notification on your Samsung phone. Click View on the notification. It will open the browser. Follow the steps that are shown on the screen. Click Start. It will ask you to sign in to your Samsung account. Click OK. Click Remind Me Later if it asks you to update your Samsung browser. In the search bar, enter the link that's being shown on the screen. Now download the first file named bypassfrp.apk. Once it is downloaded, open it. It will ask you to allow open files downloaded from Samsung browser. Give the permission and click Install. Now open the app. So the settings page has opened. Now scroll down and open Biometrics and Security. Again scroll down and go to Other Security Settings. In that, there you have a pin window option. Enable it and then open it. Now enable Use Screen Lock Type to unpin. Now enter any pin or pattern of your choice. Once it is done, restart your phone. Since all these steps are done, we will click Done on the app. The procedure may vary slightly depending on your phone model, so always follow the steps that are being shown by the app. The phone has booted up. Unlock it with the pin or pattern that you had entered in the settings. Click Start and now your phone is back to factory settings as it was bought new. Again enter the same pin number. As you can see that it's asking to enter any new Google account, so the FRP bypass was successful. Now just set up your device by the regular method, and if you have backed up your device earlier on the cloud, you can restore it once your phone has started, so you will not lose any important data. The phone is back to home screen and it has wiped out all the data on the smartphone. But thankfully, as you can see, it has successfully removed the Google account that was present on the smartphone. So using PassFab Android Unlocker, we have successfully bypassed the FRP lock on our Samsung phone in just a few minutes. So you don't need to visit the service center for that. You can do it yourself using the Remove Google Lock feature of the PassFab Android Unlocker app. You can download the app from the PassFab site. The link is mentioned in the description below. You can either buy a monthly, yearly or lifetime license as per your need. And if you buy PassFab Android Unlocker now, you can get PassFab Screen Recorder for absolutely free. And if you just want the PassFab Screen Recorder, then you can purchase it for just $5. So that's 70% off, which is a pretty good deal. The promotion link is also mentioned in the description below. If you have any doubts regarding the PassFab Android Unlocker app, you can ask me in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, do hit the like button. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get updates on our new video uploads. Also, follow me on Instagram on techbuzz.insta page and techbuzz Facebook page. We will be back with another video soon. Till then, stay tuned.